Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add margin on certain pages in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select your pages, drag your mouse. Now select file option and here we will find this page setup option. Select here. Already showing here selected content. A selected content page version. I will set a new page version. Only to top margin, this is bottom margin, and all of this same margin. Now select OK and see this page margin already changed. In this way I will change this page margin and select file option again and page setup left margin and OK and see this. This page margin also changes. In this way you can change a specific or all of this page margin as you like. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.